Hello everyone, if you're trying to play GTA 5 and you keep getting this error, the program can't start because the Steam API 64.dll is missing from your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on GTA 5 easily. So first up, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here Windows Security, and then you're going to go into Virus and Threat Protection, you're going to go into Protection History here, and here you should have steam api.dll deleted from your computer. So if you have it from here, just click on it and then click restore. After that, go into your virus and threat protection, go into manage settings, scroll down on here, click add or remove exclusions, click yes, click add an exclusion, click folder. Now go to your GTA 5's folder. Here it is for me, and then just click select folder on here. If you don't have the file in your protection history, then you're going to go ahead and download the file. So you're going to open up your web browser. You're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. Then you're going to scroll down. You're going to download EMU Win Release. So just click on it. Click start download. After that, open it up. Now go into release. Go into regular. Here you have x32 and x64. So whichever file you need, just open up your games folder and then paste the file in here. So if you need Steam API 64, it is here. You're going to paste this here. And if you need Steam API 32, here it is. You're going to paste this here, and that should fix your issue. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.